Class 8, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today we will do some word problems based on the operation of problems. Sorry, rational operation on rational numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first question you are seeing on the slide. By what rational number should minus 7 upon 85 be multiplied to obtain 1 upon 17? There are only two hint. You can solve this type of any questions. The one is why what rational number should be multiplied means when you will multiply, when means you will add, make a uh, in the page, make a pattern just like put multiplication, write equal, understand what we have to obtain 1 upon 17, then put here. And by what number should my 7 upon 85 be multiplied means we will multiply in this, means 7 upon 85 here, understand. And before writing it you have to write let the number is p upon q, then you will put here p upon q. Yeah, x you can also imagine x also here, understand that it is given here. So you are seeing now the same is minus 7 upon 85 multiplied by x equals to 1 upon 17. Then what will happen? We will do the cross multiply. Means the multiply things, when multiply numbers will go to other side, it becomes in divide. Addition becomes to the other side subtraction. Subtraction becomes to other side addition. Just opposite happens. There is a multiplication. So it will go other side. It will become the operation of division. You are seeing 1 upon 17 minus 7 upon 85 this side in multiplies form, that on the other side it will in division form. And I told you when we solve division of rational number we will change the sign of multiplication and reciprocal to the second number, then divide sign will become the multiple sign and the number will be reciprocal. 85 upon minus 7, 17 when ja 17, 17 5 ja 85, then upside 5 downside minus 7, the answer will be minus 5 upon 7, understood. Next, if a triangle has a base of, suppose that this is the triangle and its base is this one, 10 complete 3 upon 4, and the height this one base, this one height is this. So what is the area? The formula of area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. Any of the question this type, rectangle will come when I give you the homework, no, there rectangle will come, then you have to know formula of that and put the all values in the formula. What is the area? This is the area of triangle, 1 upon 2 base into height in square units. Understand means answer will come that will in centimeter square. So we will put 1 upon 2 in multiplied 10 complete 3 upon 4, multiplied 15 complete 3 upon 4. We will solve it into the, these are the improper mixed fraction, we will change into the improper fraction. 10 4 ja 43, 43, or 15 4 ja 63, 63 upon 4. And no one is reducing, like no one cut from the other number, so we will just multiply all three one, or they are all three one. 2 4 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32, and apply 43 multiplied by 63, and after find the answer this will be 18 upon 18 complete 21 upon 30. Some it will come in improper fraction, maybe a numerator will be greater to denominator, then we will divide by 32 to the numerator and it will give 84 complete 21 upon 32. Third example, in the last 3 months Mr. Khatri lost 5 complete 1 upon 2 kilogram by gained 2 complete 1/2 kilogram, and then lost 3 complete 3/4 kilogram. If he now weighs 95 kg, how much did Mr. Khatri weigh to begin with? Suppose that how much fatty is there. After reducing this three amount, these three amount of 1, 2 and 3. Then after his weight is 95. है Then suppose that weight is X and total, if you know somebody is reducing, lossing means subtracting. So we will subtract all. Firstly lost, then we will subtract, then gained means subtract me, lost means minus, gained means plus, or फिर again lost means minus. तो means x minus this one, फिर plus this one, then minus this one. Look at here, and equals to total weight is 95. So x minus this line, x minus 5 complete 1/2 plus 2 complete 1/4 minus 3 complete 3/4 or equals to 95. We will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 to the 10 1 11/2, 4 to the 6 4 to the 6. It is wrong written here. Sometime misprinted. 4 to the 8. No, right. 4 to the 6 means 4 to the 8 1 9/4 and 4 to the 12 3 15/4. So what we will do? We will send these number to the this side. Understand? So the negative will become positive and positive become negative. Minus 11 2 plus 9/4 minus 5/15 that will become plus. Firstly we will take these three LCM. There, so LCM of 2 4 4 4. We will solve it, and lastly we will solve it. Then 95 plus 7, that will 102. So starting weight is 102. This is the homework for you. Only take question you have to solve. First, second, 6, 9, 10 and 12. This is first, according to first question you can solve, and this is the last question. With the help of last question you can solve. This is also first example with the help of. This is unitary method question. This is parameter question. You have to find out the parameter of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is whose two sides are equal, this one and this one. So look at here, one side is given, then the other side is also 2 complete, means both sides 2 complete 5.6 will, and lastly you will take the x, and last the area of rectangular table. So area of rectangle length multiplied by breadth. So that is given and side is given. To find the both side, so you can solve it. Understand? So solve it. So I will come with another video in my next days. Bye to all.